Verpex Hosting Review. So if you want to know about the Verpex hosting, then what you can do is you can just simply go with the website at first, go with the official website of Verpex. So as you can see that the website looks like this. You can go with get started or log in to your account. And if you scroll down in here, you will have your plan. So Verpex hosting is affordable. It has an affordable pricing, free migrations, and managed hosting solutions. It offers shared hosting, reseller hosting, VPS, and cloud hosting. Verpex offers 99.99% uptime, which is good for business websites. And it also has a global server locations, improving local times for international users. It has one-click installs for WordPress, Joomla, and other CMS. It has unlimited website hosting on some plans. It's easy to use dashboard for beginners. It has 24 by 7 live chat with ticket support. So these are the plans. You will get up to 90% off on web hosting and up to 90% off on reseller hosting and up to 50% off on VPS hosting. You'll have the price right here. You'll have the features. You can go with start now if you want in the plan and you can pay for the plan. So overall, it's affordable. It has great customer support and it has free migrations and daily backups and it has multiple server locations. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.